Once upon a time, in the quaint seaside town of Whispering Waves, there lived a little girl named Penelope. She was known for her bright smile and her loving heart, which brimmed with endless curiosity about the world around her. As the sun dipped below the horizon and the sky turned from hues of orange to a deep, tranquil blue, Penelope knew it was almost time for bed. But tonight was no ordinary night. It was a night when the stars seemed to twinkle a little brighter, and the moon glowed with a softer light, casting a silver gleam over everything it touched. Penelope, in her cozy pajamas, sat by her bedroom window gazing out at the peaceful sea, which whispered secrets to the shore with every gentle wave. As the world outside quieted, Penelope let out a soft sigh, wishing for a bedtime story that could transport her to lands of dreamy adventures. Just as she was about to close the curtains, she noticed a movement near the lighthouse. It was a seagull, its feathers glimmering under the moonlight like a beacon of the night. Curiosity piqued, Penelope watched as the seagull danced upon the cool night air, its wings dipped gracefully in the silvery glow. The seagull peered towards Penelope's window, and to her surprise, it seemed to nod a greeting towards her. Penelope grinned and opened her window a bit more, allowing the soothing sounds of the sea to fill her room. "My name is Seraphina," the seagull said in a voice as soothing as the sea breeze. "I've been flying across the vast ocean, exploring the world beyond the stars. But the most magical stories are found not among the stars, but in the hearts of kind children like you, dear Penelope." Penelope beamed with excitement, the tiredness fading away as she invited Seraphina to share her tales. The seagull perched on the windowsill and began her story. The night wrapped around them like a velvety blanket as Seraphina spoke of distant lands and incredible creatures that roamed the earth when the world was young. She told of enchanted forests, whispering to the brave souls who dared to wander through their depths, and of gentle giants who walked quietly under the moonlit sky. With each word, Penelope's imagination soared higher and higher until she felt as if she were flying beside Seraphina, her heart alight with wonder. Yet, despite the excitement of the tales, a feeling of tranquility settled over her. The stories were like a lullaby, their rhythm echoing the rolling waves outside her window. As Seraphina's stories unfolded, the moon climbed higher in the sky, watching over them with a protective gaze. The stars twinkled in delight at the magic being spun within the cozy bedroom, while the sounds of the sea sang a harmonious serenade. Before long, Seraphina's tales came to a gentle close, and the seagull prepared to take flight once again. "Thank you for the wonderful stories," Penelope whispered, her voice soft and drowsy. "Will you come back and tell me more?" Seraphina nodded, a glint of promise in her eyes. Whenever you wish for adventure, just listen to the whispers of the sea, and I'll be here, ready to share new tales, the seagull assured her. Penelope yawned, a smile spreading across her face as her eyelids grew heavy. She watched as Seraphina took to the sky, her silhouette a graceful shadow under the moon's gentle gaze. Feeling safe and content, Penelope slowly closed her eyes, her thoughts adrift on a sea of starlit dreams. That night and many nights after, the seagull's stories filled her dreams with magic and wonder. And as Penelope slept peacefully, the little town of whispering waves continued its slumber, the rhythm of the sea and the lullaby of Seraphina's tales, lulling every child into sweet dreams until the dawn of a new day. Good night, Penelope. Good night, whispering waves. Good night, Seraphina, the moonlit seagull. May your stories always guide us through nights, serenading us to sleep. The end.